it seems that through his lawyer, Bole Baba has expressed condolences to the families of the deceased and claimed that the stampede was carried out by anti-social elements. And he's further claimed that he left the satsang a long time before the tragic incident took place, and also authorized Dr. A.P. Singh, senior advocate in the Supreme Court, to take further legal action in the case. It seems that there is no responsibility or accountability being taken right now, Ayush.
Well, yes, yesterday the lawyer for that self-styled government, that Bhola Baba, Dr. A.P. Singh, who is a senior advocate for Supreme Court, he expressed condolences based on behalf of his client, that Bhola Baba, and he's saying that he is going to meet the families of these people who have been deceased and who have been grievously injured. Also, in the statement, he said that it is something like that occurred after the Baba left that particular place, and this is the very same thing which the devotees of the Baba are saying. I was talking to some devotees and I even put them on live. They were saying that Baba had already gone from that place, and after that, this is the misconduct of the authorities. Baba should not be held responsible for this. And on the other hand, I have talked to the UP police constable, that female constable, who was also grievously injured in this stampede, and she was saying that people were running behind the car of that self-styled government just to get some mud off his feet.
Indeed, and we'd also gotten to know that yesterday that the capacity of the hall was in fact not enough to host the sheer number of people that were actually being hosted during the satsang. Take our viewers through the numbers.
We can't say that properly, since that program was not being held in a closed surface. They were open fields, so you can easily accommodate lakhs of people there. But the big question is that the permission was given only for 40,000 people. Then why and how did 2 lakh people came there? Were the state authorities, were the district authorities not aware of the fact? Was the SP not aware of the fact that there were 2 lakh people present on the spot? And the worst part is that SDM was there, and there were only 40 policemen to control to a crowd of more than 2 lakh people. It is by logic that how can 40 people control such a big and massive crowd? Had the central forces been deployed, had the reserve forces been deployed, this stampede would not have occurred, and the life of these 221 people could have been saved.